Hello everyone, this is Jasper from PumpMac. In this video, I will introduce SDEC SC7H180P2 pump drive engine. SDEC SC7H180P2 pump drive engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 6.44 liter. The overall dimensions of SDEC SC7H180P2 pump drive engine is about 1,343 mm by 741 mm by 1,267 mm, and the net weight is about 600 kg. SDEC SC7H180P2 pump drive engine comes with LongKou In-line P Type pump and equipped with turbocharger and intercooler. The emission standard can reach up to China Stage 2. The rated engine prime power range of SDEC SC7H180P2 pump drive engine is 120 kW. Fuel consumption is 28.6 liters per hour. All of SDEC pump drive engine can run at any speed between idle speed to rated speed. SDEC provides both radiator and heat exchanger cooling system for all pump drive engine to meet different customer requirements for different applications. The standard SDEC SC7H180P2 pump drive engine comes with following accessories: air filter, oil cooler, cooling fan, flywheel, fuel pump. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.pumpmac.com.